In this tutorial, I will show you complete installation of Pterodactyl Panel, including web server, wings, etc. First of all, visit this link. You can copy it from the description. Okay, and let's log into the root using software putty. Okay, now follow my steps one by one. Copy the commands Ctrl C and paste on putty by using right click mouse button. Now paste all the commands one by one. Some commands may take some minutes. Okay, copy this whole command. It's a single command. Now it will take some time. I'm skipping the video. Okay, let's paste another command. Downloading pterodactyl files, panel files. Now let's configure database. Press enter. Just press enter. There will no password set. Password will be empty. Now type commands. You can change your password. Okay, whatever password you want. Just type here. Again, you can type your own password here. Okay, it's having some issue. Okay, copy paste it again. Okay, let's exit from the and now open a file. Wait. Go to MySQL and you will see my.cnf. You can also do it from the Putty software. Type nano none and type my.cnf. Okay, now go down all the way. Now paste this, copy and paste it. Press the right click button. Now press Ctrl X, Y, enter. Okay, now installation of panel. Yes. Okay, now it's downloading. I will also update this command on website later. Now type anything. If you want to set up a URL, you can set up, but I'm going for localhost. Time set. Now type Redis. Localhost. Now type your password. Now suppose I will type here test 123 6379. Okay, now we have to set up password on Redis. Go to config and find required pass and type the password you set while setting up the Redis. Okay, now Control S, press Y, press enter. You can also do it on FTP. Go to this directory, open this and press Control F, type required pass and you will see I already edited. You can also edit it from FTP. Okay, now type this command. Now type your password here. Edit it and type your password. Test 123. Okay. Now type test 123. If this is okay, then it will working fine. If you face any error, then follow the previous steps. Okay. Now let's exit from the Redis. Now let's set up database panel. Enter. Now type the password we enter. It's this password, some password, or whichever password you set. Okay. Now let's set up mail. Just follow the steps that I'm doing. If you face any error, go back, watch again, and follow the steps again. Now press 1. Now go down all the way and type this command. Let me check again. Paste this command again. Okay, now it works. Now we already have, we don't need it. Okay, now let's go and copy and paste all of this. Okay, Control X, Y, enter. Okay, now service has been started. Now let's configure web server. Okay, as we did not set up domain, so I think we will go without SQL. Okay, let's configure it. Now we have to create a config file on this directory. Now type nano, paste, copy all this file and edit the domain part. In server name, you have to type your server IP. Now I type my IP. Now press Ctrl X, void, and enter. Now make a link. Now we start it. Done. Let's test. As you can see, panel is running on IP. Now let's connect to the panel. Okay, I successfully connected. Now go to settings and you will go to the admin page. Now follow the other procedure. Now let's set up a wing. Now as you can see, it's my VM where you have different KVM and other. It maybe take time. Okay, there are some commands missing here. I will type after this video. You will can see. I will type here manually. Okay, now you will see this Linux default line. Type comma and swap account is equal to 1. Now press enter. Now reboot the VPS. It will may take some time to get back. I'm skipping the video. When the VPS is turned on, I will connect. Okay, VPS is started again. Let's install Wings. Okay, where were you? Let's create a directory. Okay, now okay, we have to first set up node on panel and then we will paste the procedure. Now follow my procedures. I will tell you. Create new, add the location, any location you can add. Okay, now go to nodes, create a node. Okay, type any name. Okay, now use HTTP and type your IP here. Okay, like this IP. This is the IP which node is connected. Now type the total memory. You can type anything. Suppose go to calculator. Now if we have 1024 multiply 4, we have 40964 GB memory. We will add it 10%. Now total disk space, go to the calculator again. Now type 1024 multiply by 50 is 5110 and create a node. Okay, remove this comma. Oh, press HTTP. Now node has been created. Go to configuration, copy this, okay, and paste it here. Control X, press Y and enter. Now let's see if it's working or not. Go to the nodes. Okay, my port wasn't forward, that's why it wasn't running, but I hope it will not, you will not face any issue. You must, if you face any issue, you must have to forward these two ports, okay? Now let's continue. Okay, now if we exit from this command, then it will stop working. As you can see, it's still loading, it will stop working. Now we have to set up automatically whenever the PC restarts, it will automatically run this command, so we don't have to do it manually. Now copy this command, paste, control X, Y, enter. Now run this service and refresh the page. As you can see, it's running correctly. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to set up this web server on a domain and with SSL certificate, I will create another video and I will show you how you can do it for till. And you can watch my other videos related to this panel, how to create servers, how to mount, how to nest different servers like 5M another. So if you like this tutorial, and if you face any issue during this tutorial, then let me know in comments, I will help you. And you can also contact me on Discord. Discord ID is in description. Bye.